this is your first time coming by, my name is Linda, and my channel is usually all about having fun with style and fashion. Sometimes you find nails sprinkled in, and skincare with Mask Monday. Now, I know you all like a little mini vlog, and your girl has been doing a little bit of socializing. I went to an amazing dinner with Catherine out at TPC, out at Sawgrass, where Tiger Woods and all the famous golfers golf. And that was a beautiful evening. Now today, I gotta get ready to go. I'm meeting Miss C for lunch. You guys remember I introduced you, so we're gonna have lunch together. Outfit. Remember this jacket that I had not worn from Lane Bryant? I put that on with this little, what is this? I got that from Target. Remember when I was buying up all those tanks? So we're going to see if she notices my birthday present she gave me. And that's it. Probably afterwards, have a coupon from Ulta. And I do need another Benefit eyebrow pencil. You know what? I like the Benefit better than Anastasia. So I'm going to get me one of those today. And that's about it. So gray and black. Gray bag. I wanted to wear my gray boots that I've never worn, but the pants are so long. My jeans, I think in my mind, I think I'm taller than what I actually am, because they come in short. I don't know why I didn't get them in short, but anyway, I gotta go because Miss C is always early and I'm usually late. I've got time though. We're meeting at 11 and it's just 10:20. And it only takes about 20 minutes. So let's go to Copeland's. Ooh, it's such a beautiful day. It's only 66 degrees, but it's mild and warm and pretty. So we're on our way. I hope everybody is enjoying their end of the year. It'll probably be New Year by the time that you see this. Wow, I wonder if everybody took off because their kids are off this week, because there is hardly any traffic at all. This is great. Perfect. All right, we should be there in about 15 minutes. It is so quiet this morning. We're almost there. I'm at a light, don't worry. Guess who?
Hello. And I'm not retired teacher.
And tell them we're early. We're not. I told them I'm always late. Hey, I'm back and I am just sitting here watching the beautiful Nina Ubi show us how to do a very natural look. As you can see, mine doesn't look like that, but I'm still trying. But anyway, I was thinking, because I'm sitting here waiting for the appliance repairman to come. My dryer is not heating correctly, so I'm waiting, and I thought, let's just pull out, because I've been going through some things, and I have some silver jewelry that I'm not going to get rid of. I'm going to try to just clean it, because I started remembering I have a little technique where you just use, there's a combination, a reaction between aluminum, baking soda, and piping hot water. So let's go in and just see if we can clean up some jewelry while we wait. And then I'm going to run something out to Twyla, and I'm going to run to the grocery store right quick. So let's prep and clean jewelry. You know what? There's a couple of pairs of earrings too that I was going to throw away. I think I'm just going to repair those. So can you tell that I'm just sitting around trying to think of things to do? But anyway, let's repair the earrings and let's clean some jewelry. Let's do it. All right, I have some silver jewelry that's kind of lost its luster. Now this isn't sterling, so I'm not sure how that's going to turn out, but this one is. See how it's gotten all tarnished over the years? And this one especially. So we just take some aluminum foil, make sure the shiny side is up, and put some baking soda in the bottom. Drop your jewelry in. Now, even though these earrings are not sterling, I'm going to see if we can clean those up too. And then you just take some boiling hot water. Get a spoon. And, okay, we're going to check in about 10 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Oh, first let me show you. This is a set that I got when I was in Mexico. I didn't think to film the before for this, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's a necklace, earrings, and then I even got the ring. Isn't that pretty? I got that when I went to, where was I? Cancun. And this I think I got from Dillard's years ago. It's a genuine sterling silver. Came out beautiful. Now, I'm not so sure about these pieces. Let's take a look. What you want to do is, first thing we need to do is rinse off all that baking soda. So let me run this under some cold water, and then we'll take a look at it. All right, even though these are not sterling silver, they still came out looking pretty good. This is a Napier set that I had years ago. It's looking pretty good. And my teardrop earrings. This one is sterling. And you can tell that it's cleaning up nicely because you can see the tarnish coming off. So I might do these one more time. I don't know, that looks pretty good. My bracelet. Really pretty good. It's trimmed in black diamonds. And this one came, I think, also from Dillard's many years ago. I used to love how they sold their bars, 925 silver jewelry. You don't see that anymore. Well, then again, I don't normally go into the regular Dillard stores. That's pretty. And did you guys notice my nails? They need to be done again. Do you see they're growing out nicely? But I wanted to show you too. Remember I told you guys about this polish that Tina had gotten me from Ulta? And actually, I'm going to be using this color a lot. It's called Mocha. Well, this color's not called Mocha Mousse, but move that out the way so you can see. It's Pantone's color for this year, fashion color, Mocha Mousse. So I'm going to really enjoy this. But look at my nails. Don't they look good? They're growing. So I'm going to have to give myself another manicure. But it'll probably be after today because I'm going to meet Miss C for lunch and I don't want to have to do them. But anyway, I'm going to give those two more time. And I think that they're going to come out pretty good because, let me take this one out. You see, it's coming off because that one was really, see on the back, it's really cleaning up nicely. All right, so that's that. Let's go take a look at the earrings, how they came out. Well, I am pretty pleased. Especially with this one. Remember how dark and tarnished that was? And this one. Yep, it works. So if you need to clean your silver pieces and you don't want to have to go buy jewelry cleaner, just use what's already in your cabinet. It works. All right, so while the sterling silver and the silver jewelry is kind of marinating over there, I thought I would share a little hack that I use. Now, I love these earrings, and I have a top that I wear in the summertime. See, it has gold flecks in it, but this one broke. And then I thought, girl, don't throw those earrings away. Just DIY them with a post back. Remember I showed you guys these some time ago that I get from Michael's craft store? So I have these gold ones that are a little bit larger. And the silver, they're the post, to make post earrings. So that's what we're going to put on that one. And then for these, I was going to just get rid of them because I do have some solid black ones with the white. But I thought, no, I still love these two. And we can save them. So when I went into Dollar General, I normally like E6000 glue. They didn't have it. And so the last time I used this Gorilla Super Glue, and it really worked well. So we're just going to use that today too. So you just need a little bit, just a little dab. I don't have my glasses on. I think I'm going to put it on the actual earring. I don't want to stick my finger together to the earring back. So you just need like a little, just a little dab. I can't see. Hold on. They're right here. All right, so we want to put just a little dollop of glue right there. Just a drop. There we go. And then you just put this on and let it bond. And then even though the post did come out of this center part, it's kind of bumpy still in there. I don't know if I'm gonna, no, I think I'm gonna actually put the post on the outside of the circle. And all you need is just a drop. And same for this one. And it's really as simple as that, guys. I am going to just leave these. And sometimes I'll take just the back of an ink pen and just kind of hold it like for maybe 10 seconds and then just let them dry. And I do suggest you give this at least an hour to dry. I don't like to chance it because I don't want to get any glue on my ear. So I normally just let mine sit. But right now, we're going to go and take a look and see how the jewelry is doing. It's been about 10 minutes. Here we go. And this is the top that has that pretty gold and white, even though the earrings are clear. And this will be good for summertime. So, you know what I just realized? I never say goodbye. Oh, also, I forgot to put in this little picture of Ella invited me over, so I had lunch with her and a new friend, Tony. And the repair people came. It is not the dryer. I was thinking, it couldn't be the dryer because it's relatively new. It's my vent. It's all clogged up. So they referred me to a company, and so I have to have the vent cleaned out, which is going to probably be pricey because mine goes underneath the house, because my house is like 28 years old. I think it was built in 96. So anyway, part of home ownership. So I'm trading shopping for home repairs, obviously. Thank you for coming by and spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate you. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing before you go. And stay encouraged out there. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And we're still going to make sure that we put some sass in this new year. Bye.